Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much for stopping by and thank you for clicking on this video. And for my regular watchers, thank you very much. Today I'm going to show you how I did this t-shirt. This is 100% cotton and I sublimated on it. I got this design from Design Bundles and I decided that it is so pretty, it is so cute, and I wanted to put it on a t-shirt, but I didn't want to put it on a polyester shirt. So I decided to use this baby right here. This is Sublimation HTV from HTVront. So this is intended to be used for sublimation on light cotton shirt. So I got this from Amazon and I decided that I was going to try, and this is the result. All right, so if that is something you're interested in, just keep on watching. Also, I'm gonna tell you about the materials that you're gonna need. Of course, you're going to need the star of the show, the Sublimation HTV. As I said, I got this on Amazon. You're also gonna need heat resistant tape. I got this also from Amazon. You're gonna need a sublimation paper. This is the one that I used. I also use my Epson ET 2803 printer that I converted using sublimation. I also use my Cricut machine and my 9x9 easy press. So if that is something you're interested in, just keep on watching. Guys, we are in Cricut design space. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the image that I'm going to use. So I bought this image of Design Bundles and I saved it a while back on my computer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here where it says View All, and I'm going to search for this image. This is the one. So what I'm going to do, it's going to tell it to add it to canvas. So I'm going to add, then I'm going to press view. So this is going to come in big, very big, because it is over the size for a print then cut image. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to first lock my proportion because I know that I cannot go over 6.75 by 9.25. So I'm going to lock my ratio first, and I'm going to try to size this to see if I could, how small I could go with it. All right, so now you see that the triangle is off and I'm at 6.39. I'm going to take my view down a little bit for you to see exactly what I'm doing. So now I'm at 6.39 by 8.14. I think I still can stretch it some more. So I'm going to unlock my proportion. So up here where it says unlock, I'm going to unlock it. And I'm going to put 6.75. And here I'm going to put 9.25. Okay. And then I'm going to lock this proportion. So this is what I have working with. The next thing I'm going to do, since I'm putting this on a white cotton shirt, the only thing that I will need is clear e-transfer vinyl. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add an offset to this that will represent my clear HTV. So I'm going to go up here where it says offset, and I'm going to select the offset tool. When you look, you notice that this offset is quite large. So I'm going to change that offset to a 0.05. Okay, I'm going to move this so that it recognizes what I'm doing, 0.05. Okay, and I'm going to press apply. Okay, I want you to look what happens over here on the layers panel. So now this is giving me the exclamation mark because it's telling me, whoa, whoa, you're doing a print then cut and it's too big. But we do not want this offset to be a print then cut. We want it to be a basic cut because we want our Cricut to actually cut it out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select it, which is already selected because it's in gray, and I'm going to change it from a print then cut to a basic cut. Now you'll see that my offset is, it turns to gray, and now it is a basic cut. Now this is basically ready to be printed. Okay, so this part we're going to take it and we're going to print it using our sublimation printer. Then we're going to hit use our Cricut to cut out the offset, which we will use as our clear HTV. So now I'm going to press make it. Because we're using heat transfer, we're using heat, you'll have to mirror your design. Okay, I'm also going to mirror my design here. Okay, and I'm going to send this one to my printer. I'm going to show you the settings that I use, and I'm going to send this one to be cut out by my Cricut. Okay, so guys, all right guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to send this one to my printer. I'm going to keep my bleed on. So I'm going to select my printer. I'm going to keep my bleed on. So I'm using the ET2800 series, and I'm going to use system dialog. I'm going to press print. It's going to find my printer. Select my printer first. This one, I'm going to go to preference. Now I'm going to use, you're going to go here where it says portrait mode. Your presentation, your paper type should be premium presentation paper matte. Your quality should be high, and two-sided printing should be off. You're going to go here where it says more option. You're going to ensure that the mirror, if you did not turn your mirror on from Cricut Design Space, then you should leave your mirror on here. But I'm going to turn my off because I did turn it on from Cricut Design Space. I'm going to turn this off. Okay, you're going to go here where it says advanced. Ensure that it is at Adobe RGB and the gamma is 2.2. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to send this to be printed. Okay guys, I went ahead and I printed the design. This is what it looks like. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my green mat and I'm going to get my clear heat transfer vinyl. This is what it looks like. I got this on Amazon, and I'm going to take this off, the tape off. Okay, I'm gonna save my tape so I could roll it back. All right, so this is what it looks like. It has this glossy side and it has this matte side. When you are putting it on your mat, you're going to put it facing down so that the glossy side is touching the mat, is on the mat. So the matte side is up like this. So I'm gonna take my mat and I'm going to put it on my mat. Like this. I'm gonna roll it on my mat. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess that I do not need. And then I'm gonna get it cut out. Okay guys, so now that I have this, I'm gonna put this away for another project. And I'm going to get this cut out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to load this and I'm gonna press the flashing C. Okay, so I cut it out. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to put my I'm gonna cut out my design. Okay guys, so I'm gonna weed out this design. Alright guys, so this is what I have. I went ahead and I weed out my design. Now I'm gonna okay. Okay, so this is the sublimation that we have. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I press this onto the shirt now. Okay guys, my heat press is ready, but the first thing I'm gonna do, I will have to lint roll this shirt very, very, very well. See, I can see lints over this shirt. I'm going to lint roll. And I'm going to take my heat press and I'm going to take the moisture out of the shirt. Okay. Take some of the moisture out. Then I'm going to find the middle of the shirt. I'm gonna fold it in two, like this. I'm gonna find the midpoint of the shirt. Okay. I'm gonna let it cool off for a little while. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my clear HTV down. I'm going to put my clear HTV down on my shirt. Okay. You could find the middle. Okay, so my middle is about here. And I am going to come down about 2 fingers, 3 fingers down. So about here. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to tack this first layer down. Now, one thing you do know is that you might not see clearly, but I'm gonna tack it down. All right. Now, this is a cold peel, so I'm gonna let it stay there and cool off. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take this off now. Alright, okay. Now that I did that, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna take my sublimation image and I'm gonna match it up with this with the clear HTV. You may cannot see it, but I can. It's right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to match it up on my shirt. Okay, ensure that it is matched very well. Okay. Okay. One thing, it's difficult to see, but once you get a hang of it, it will come out quite well. And I'm gonna tape it down, and I'm gonna tape it very well so that it doesn't get any ghosting. I'm now going to press this on, putting butcher paper inside my shirt, okay, and outside my shirt, okay. Then I'm gonna get another piece of butcher paper for over the shirt. So I'm doing 390 for 60 seconds. All right, guys. Here goes. All right, guys, let's see. Okay. 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 Worked. Wow. Oh my God, guys. It did come through. Oh my God. Wow, guys, this is it. This is it. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. Wow. Guys, do you see that? This is... Okay, guys, so this is the result of the shirt that we have just done. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you ever tried sublimation and cotton before? How did it work for you? I would like to know in the comment section. Until we meet, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.